Looking for the best dash cams to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. Rove R2-4K. This dash cam offers 4K video quality and a wide 150-degree field of view. It comes with built-in GPS for tracking your location and speed, plus Wi-Fi connectivity for easy file transfers to your smartphone. The R2-4K supports microSD cards up to 512 GB, giving you plenty of storage for long recording times. Its supercapacitor design makes it more reliable in extreme temperatures compared to battery-powered dash cams. This device also includes helpful features like loop recording, a G-sensor for automatic incident detection, and parking mode monitoring. The night vision is enhanced by a wide f/1.8 aperture lens, ensuring clear footage in low light. Although the user interface can be a bit tricky to navigate, the 2.4-inch LCD screen provides clear playback and easy access to menus. Number 4. Scosche NEXC1. The Scosche NEXC1 is a good option for those on a limited budget. It offers impressive 1080p Full HD video quality with a 140-degree wide-angle lens, making it an excellent budget-friendly dashcam option. This compact device features a Sony StarVis image sensor for superior night vision and low-light performance. The NEXC1 integrates seamlessly with the free Nexar Safe Driving app, allowing for easy footage management and cloud storage of significant events. It includes a G-sensor for automatic incident detection and a capacitive touch event button for manual tagging. The dashcam supports microSD cards up to 256 GB and offers parking mode for continuous protection. With Wi-Fi connectivity, the NEXC1 can quickly transfer footage to your smartphone. The package includes a suction cup mount, car charger, and necessary installation tools. Number 3. Rove R3. The Rove R3 stands out as a comprehensive 3-channel dashcam solution. It captures footage from the front, rear, and cabin of the vehicle, offering 1440p resolution for the front camera and 1080p for both the cabin and rear cameras. The device features a 3-inch IPS touchscreen for easy operation and settings adjustment. Built-in GPS provides location tracking and speed data, while dual-band Wi-Fi, 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz, enables quick file transfers to mobile devices. The R3 utilizes a supercapacitor instead of a traditional battery, enhancing durability and performance in extreme temperatures. Key features include a 24-hour parking monitor, loop recording, and a G-sensor for automatic incident detection. The cabin camera is equipped with infrared LEDs for clear night vision recording. Video quality is impressive, with the front camera using a 5-megapixel OmniVision sensor and a 150-degree field of view. The R3 supports microSD cards up to 512 GB, allowing for extensive footage storage. Its user-friendly interface and dedicated mobile apps streamline the process of reviewing and sharing recorded videos, making it an efficient tool for both daily driving and potential incident documentation. Number 2. Escort M2. The Escort M2 is our runner-up with 1080p Full HD resolution, ensuring clear footage in both day and night conditions. This radar-mounted dashcam seamlessly integrates with compatible Escort detectors, providing a comprehensive driver alert system. The M2 features built-in GPS, which records speed and location data, enhancing the usefulness of captured footage. Its dual-band Wi-Fi capability enables cloud video management, allowing users to store, edit, and share footage remotely. The device includes an emergency Mayday alert function, automatically notifying a designated contact in case of a severe accident. The M2's parking mode activates when the vehicle is stationary, capturing any incidents that occur while parked. Voice announcements keep drivers informed about the camera's status without distracting from the road. With its magnetic mount and compact design, the M2 is easy to install and doesn't obstruct the driver's view. The 140-degree field of view ensures comprehensive coverage of the road ahead. The inclusion of a 16 GB microSD card provides ample storage for recordings, while the loop recording feature ensures continuous operation without manual intervention. Number 1. Rove R2 Dual. The Rove R2 Dual is the best dashcam you can buy for the price with its dual camera setup and advanced features. This dashcam combines a 4K front camera with a 1080p rear camera, providing comprehensive coverage of both the front and rear of your vehicle. The R2 Dual boasts a Sony StarVis 2 IMX675 sensor for the front camera, capturing detailed 4K footage with HDR capability. The rear camera, equipped with a Galaxy Core GC2053 sensor, records in 1080p resolution. Both cameras offer wide-angle views, with 150 degrees for the front and 140 degrees for the rear. The dash cam excels in low-light conditions thanks to its improved night vision technology. It supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, enabling faster file transfers to mobile devices. The built-in GPS allows for accurate speed and location tracking, compared to the standard R2. The dual version adds a rear camera and upgrades the front sensor to Starvis 2. It also includes a larger 3-inch IPS display and a 128GB memory card, while the R3 offers a 3-channel setup. The R2 Dual provides better value for those who don't require an interior camera. The R2 Dual includes various parking modes, over-the-air firmware updates, and supports up to 512GB memory cards. Its supercapacitor ensures reliable operation in extreme temperatures. So that sums up my top 5 dash cams. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.